When you're out in the field and you're picking wildflowers to bring home to put in your house, there's some things to be aware of, like wild parsnip and poisonous hemlock.
This is a non-native weed that does present a very serious challenge, and the challenge is something that the technical term is phytophotodermatitis. Phyto means plant, photo means light. So this is wild parsnip. It is a non-native, and if you do get the sap on you, what it does is it makes your skin highly sensitive to UV radiation. In other words, you in effect get radiation burns, which results in very serious blistering.
Why have I never heard of this before?
Well, it is non-native. It was introduced accidentally into the U.S. some years ago, but we don't know why in recent years it has started proliferating to the point that it is right now. Quite honestly, Tony, 15 years ago, this patch wouldn't have been here. In fact, this patch was virtually non-existent last season. So because it's such a prolific seed producer, it can rise to these huge infestations very quickly.
And it's not a small plant.
It isn't a small plant. In fact, some of these plants, I'm a little over 6 feet tall. Some of these plants are taller than I am. The sap isn't airborne. You have to actually get it on your skin. But what we're trying to help people to understand is to identify it. If you do have it in your landscaping, get rid of it. Be very careful, though, in getting rid of it. Remember, you don't want this sap on your skin. Identify it, get rid of it, let other people know about it so that we can limit exposure. That's a major concern that we have.
And you've got another plant just like this, kind of.
We have another plant locally just like this, and also throughout Ohio, called poison hemlock. Now, that's another non-native. The toxin in poison hemlock, though, has to be ingested. It is one of our most toxic plants found in Ohio, but you have to get the toxin inside of you. So we can handle poison hemlock. You would not want to touch or handle wild parsnip.
None of this information is meant to scare you or make you worry. Instead, it's to inform you so you can see the difference with your eyes. If you have any questions or think there's a plant that's suspect in your yard or near you, take a picture of it and you can always send it to your extension office.